Hello, friends. This is your aromatherapist, Rone. My today's issue is directed towards those who are seeking a relief from acidity in a natural way. Some people are lucky enough not to even know the term. For them, in very simple context, it is heartburn or kind of like sour burping. If you're suffering from acidity, you must know the reasons. Let me generally explain that acidity can be caused by many food items such as overconsumption of alcohol, smoking, or by eating spicy foods such as onion or garlic, red chilies, or fatty foods too. Sometimes having citrus fruit can induce acidity, such as lemon, orange, or any other citrusy drinks. Oh, yeah. Coffee or caffeinated drinks can cause acidity as well. I mean, majority of us love drinking coffee and tea, but that can cause acidity as well. I will talk about how you can naturally get rid of your discomfort caused by the acid reflux. So, before I even get to the detail, I have a disclaimer to read. Let me tell you that I am not a medical doctor and my advice does not have any medical background. I'm sharing this info based on the scientific studies and experiments done over the centuries on the use of various essential oils. Since you are watching this video, so I know you are looking for a solution for acidity. If you are looking for a natural way to get relief from the acid reflux, then I can suggest you something really cool today. Do you know that you can use natural essential oils to get relief from acidity? Actually, it is not like a by the way statement. I'm telling you with total conviction that you can use pure essential oils to get rid of acidity. Using essential oil is a fantastic solution to your problem because they're all natural plant extract without mostly or any side effect. And also, those are non addictive as well. Rather, most of the essential oil users know that each of the natural essential oils have a lot of side benefits instead of side effects. Haha. Side benefits instead of side effects. I'll get to the multiple benefits of each essential oils in a separate video if I get enough requests for that. There are a few oils that you can pick from that could be helping you with getting rid of or lower down your acidity. But according to my regular clients, and through a decade worth of experiments by our store, we figured out that amongst many, there are a few that stands out by popular choice for its effectiveness. Today, I will introduce you to two of those essential oils. Those are in our store that top ranking essential oils that take care of the acidity problem. Those are number one is peppermint and number two, ginger. Peppermint helps to relax the gastrointestinal muscles, allowing painful gas to pass. According to the article published in National Center for Biotechnology Information, peppermint oil has been used for centuries as a treatment for gastrointestinal ailments. It has been shown to have several effects of gastroesophageal physiology. I'm going to put a link for the article here so that you can read it at your spare time. This is a very effective article. Second one is ginger. Ginger is a very soothing, relaxing oil. It soothes the stomach and help us to release its content so bloating doesn't occur. The Greeks treated stomach disorders with ginger. So for centuries, ginger is on as a digestive. According to the National Library of Medicine, Ginger has been studied for its protective effect on the gastrointestinal system. I'm gonna show you this article as well. The link is below so you can read about ginger too. The reason I'm showing you these articles because these are all study after study that has been done on those oils. Now, the question is how you can use it. The use is very simple. Peppermint and ginger drops, oil drops I'm talking about, both can be put in green, white, or black tea. Or if you prefer, you can also put 2 to 3 drops over 1/4 teaspoon of non-caloric sugar substitute. This is for Weight Watchers mainly, or if you are not worried about your weight, then you can put it on honey as well, depending on your health condition, and slowly suck it. Then it will go to your intestine slowly but effectively. Especially after you eat or drink heavy stuff, you can easily get those as a precaution. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Let us know if the info that we have presented you very helpful, and we can talk more about oils and the healing properties of it in near future. So there are many different oils that I did not talk about yet, and I'm looking forward to be sharing it out with you. Feedback from you would be highly appreciated. You can contact us for any natural healing issues. Our website is www.incenseroute.com or email me at salam@incenseroute.com. Ciao for now. See you later.